Hello, everyone, and welcome to 3 o'clock with SOC. Give me just a second so I can welcome those who want to access the program in Spanish to our conference call with Spanish interpretation. Buenas tardes, muchísimas gracias por estar aquí en 3 p.m. con SOC. Como siempre, ustedes pueden escuchar el programa en español a través de una llamada de conferencia. Y el número aparece aquí en la pantalla y es 646-749-3122 y el código para entrar es 779-328-221. Y ahora les voy a dejar con nuestra querida Marlene, quien va a ser nuestra moderadora de hoy. Thank you for letting me do that. I'm going to leave you in the hands of our beloved Marlene, who is going to be the moderator for today.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to 3 o'clock with SOC. My name is Marlene Zaron, and I am the Public Health Coordinator here at the Southside Organizing Center. So I just want to let you guys know that in the comment section, you will find the information for SOC's contact information and the translation information. You can find that in the comment section. We also would like to let you guys know that our videos are recorded and they are on our Facebook and YouTube pages in both English and Spanish. So that being said, I'd like to introduce Jonathan Sancen, who is the clinic manager at the Southside Organizing Center. And he's here with us today to talk about COVID-19 vaccinations and the COVID-19 vaccine clinics that they have for individuals who are 12 to 17-year-olds. Hi, Jonathan. Thank you for coming on today.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good to have you here. So I'd like to have you introduce yourself quickly and talk about your role and what you do at the Southside Organizing Center.
Yeah, definitely. So my name is John Sancen. I am the clinic manager at 16th Street Community Health Centers. I manage the Parkway campus located on 20th Street, and I've managed the day-to-day operations for our COVID testing and our COVID vaccine tents here.
That's awesome. So that being said, can you talk to us about the current vaccination clinic for those that are 12 to 15 and those that are 16 and 17?
Yeah, definitely. So we have 2 separate clinics going on right now. We have our vaccines, the Moderna vaccine, available for our patients that are 18 years and older. And that is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Parkway campus, which is that site on 20th Street. We are currently hosting Saturday clinics at the Chavez location, and that is for patients that are 16 years and older, and that's where we have the Pfizer available. We are currently working on a system to be able to have vaccines available for those that are 12 and over, to expand those services. Right now, since they were only offered on Saturdays, in the next couple of weeks, we'll be releasing new dates to increase that availability and start vaccinating our patients that are 12 years and older. So to schedule an appointment, it's calling our main line. The phone number is 414-672-1353. That's the 16th Street main phone number. Just call and say you're interested in receiving the vaccine, and then they'll schedule you at whichever clinic applies based on the age.
Awesome. And when do you think the estimated time frame is for when you will start vaccinating?
Yeah, so right now we're just waiting on stock. So we're thinking in the next couple of weeks we'll have sufficient vaccines to start vaccinating those 12 and over. So we're middle of June for sure. We will have extended dates and times for those patients that are 12 and over.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And what should individuals bring with them?
Yeah, so as a registered patient, all your information is in our system. There is no need to bring anything. And really, even though 16th Street won't have the vaccine available for the 12 and over population in the next couple of weeks, there is locations in Milwaukee that have the Pfizer available, right? We have the health department has those walk-in sites at the Wisconsin Center. North Division and South Division High School has the vaccine available, and you don't need an ID. You don't need insurance to be seen, so you cannot be turned away if you don't have either or any of those items.
Yeah, and I did put in the comment section, you guys can go to vaccines.org, which is through the CDC as well. They have a collaboration with the city, and you can put in your zip code and specify that you'd like Pfizer, and it'll directly give you a list of all of the available locations that are near your zip code that has the Pfizer vaccine available. And you can go and take your 16 and 17-year-old with you. Do parents need to bring some sort of identification to prove that they are the guardian of the parent?
No, as an established patient, that should be in the system. If for some reason the parent or who is recorded in the system as a guardian can't bring the patient in, then we will need a documentation, right, saying that the child is okay to be seen by whoever is bringing them.
Right. Can you talk to us a little bit about the updates for the phase 6, not phase 6. So the Milwaukee Public Health Department spoke with the mayor, and they did agree that they are moving forwards with agreeing with the CDC guidance and regulations regarding not wearing masks in public spaces. Can you talk to us about that?
Yeah. So recently the CDC released new guidance for people that are fully vaccinated. Right now that for those that have been fully vaccinated, we can safely do more things with fewer limitations. We can go back to doing things we enjoy and stop doing because of the pandemic. So fully vaccinated people can resume to activities without wearing a mask or physical distance, except when required by law, rules, and regulations. So businesses and workplaces will have their own guidance on what their rules are. Right, so we know that healthcare facilities, if you're on the medical floor, you're required to still continue to wear a mask, right? So, and businesses have the right to opt in to continue that rule, right? Wear mask. You need a mask to enter the business, and you'll see kind of like what we've been seeing now. You'll see the signs posted at the door. Mm-hmm. If you've been fully vaccinated, it protects you from serious illnesses, hospitalizations, and death from COVID-19. You should continue to watch for symptoms, though, even though you've been fully vaccinated, especially if you've been around someone that's sick. If you're experiencing COVID symptoms, get tested to stay at home and away from others. For those that have not been fully vaccinated or have a compromised immune system, we're going to continue to take all safety precautions. We're going to wear our mask, wash our hands, and keep social distance. Because you're still at risk of contracting COVID-19. Being in crowds makes you more likely to get and spread COVID-19. Those that have not yet been vaccinated should avoid crowds and poorly ventilated spaces. People who have a condition or are taking medications that weakens their immune system should talk to their healthcare providers on steps on what they should do and how to protect themselves. But really, if there's any questions or any hesitations, if you're not sure when you should wear your mask or if it's safe, then opt in and continue to wear your mask. Right? Let's do what makes you feel comfortable, and if you're taking all your precautions, then just continue to wear the mask.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for that information. Is there anything else you'd like to add on before we sign off?
No, just thank you again for having me, and let's continue getting these vaccines and taking care of each other.
Yes, I agree. Thank you so much, John.
You be safe.
You too. All right, that's a great update from Jonathan Sancen. Always great to have him on. I am going to quickly now talk about our COVID-19 committee. And so quickly, here is a flyer that shows what we're all about. So the Southside Organizing Center created this platform for the Southsiders of Milwaukee to come together and support the leadership of residents. Essentially, the COVID committee serves to continue to bridge the Latinx community members and resident association members to nonprofits that serve these communities, right? So for the next meeting, our main topic is going to be talking about how SOC now has a grant from the Department of Health Services, and I have some brainstormed ideas of ways to get the community engaged and learn about COVID and the COVID vaccine. And I'd love for you guys to attend and get your feedback on that, and maybe brainstorm some really cool ideas of what you think we should do moving forwards. And there will be a raffle for a $50 gift card. So if you attend, you can definitely go and have the opportunity to get a $50 Walmart gift card. If you have any questions about this, you can definitely email me at marlene@socmilwaukee.org. We'll put that for you guys in the comment section. Here is the Spanish version of the flyer as well. We have a SurveyMonkey link as well that you can register for the COVID committee, and we put that in the comment section for you guys, so you can definitely register through that. We will be asking things like your name, number, address, and your email address as well, just to keep track of who is attending, and that way we can send you emails of the Zoom link and any other updates that we have coming up regarding the COVID committee. So that being said, I'd like to also talk about some vaccination numbers for you guys. So let me show you the vaccination CDC data tracker. So usually I share the Milwaukee Department of Health, the Wisconsin Department of Health's site, but for the COVID vaccinations in the United States, you can go to covid.cdc.gov/COVID data tracker. And we'll put that for you guys in the comments section. That link, I'll put it for you. So in total, the number of vaccine doses that have been administered in the United States has been around 300 million. And then the amount of individuals that have gotten the vaccine is a total of, so the number delivered is around 350 million. So I can show you the total number of percentage. So the total number of the population percentage that has had at least one dose is around 48%. And those that are fully vaccinated is around 38%. Now, the CDC has stated that they want to wait until the population is at 80% before they can open things back up. And then when we look here at the number of people that are 18 years of age and under, we have 57% have received one dose and 45% have been fully vaccinated. For those of you that are 18 and under, there have been at least 60% of those individuals that have received one dose of the vaccine, and 48% are fully vaccinated. And those that are 65 years of age, there have been 80% of those individuals have received one dose, and 73% have been fully vaccinated. And then when you look here at each state, you can scroll down, you'll see the total number of administered vaccines is 5 million, around 5 million in Wisconsin. And then the rate for that being administered is 89,000 per 100,000 people of the total population. If you click on the map, it'll take you to a whole other section that shows you all of the numbers. But that's all that I have for you guys for today. So that being said, for tomorrow, we have a really good guest for you guys. We have the Benedict Center. No, I'm sorry, not the Benedict Center. The St. Josephat Revitalization, MKE, and the Basilica Foundation. The main guest will be Colleen Basilica. So she'll be coming on tomorrow. We look forward to that. And I leave you guys now with a survey promo. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.
Has this live forum been informative and useful to you? What part of the forum could be improved or changed to make it better? Please take a quick survey that's located in the comments section so that we can keep 3 o'clock with SOC going for residents. Thank you for tuning in.